Today we're going to make a 2-string bracelet similar to this one. Here's the findings that we're going to use in today's bracelet, including a crimp cover and a crimp. So we're going to use 5 different seed beads, including silver round beads, and then some strong crystal string. Here I've already started off with the crimp bead and crimp cover, so I'll link up above the tutorial on doing that, as well as just adding and opening the jump ring. Now we're going to start with the bracelet. I'm first adding a silver bead so that it complements the crimp bead and crimp cover, so that it looks like this. It looks more professional. And now we're going to add our paper clip so that it holds it down while I bead onto the string. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to use this oval little seed bead. It's a beautiful, beautiful bead. And then I'm going to take the right hand side, add 2 of the lighter pink on that side, and then on the left side I'm adding the silver foil pink beads onto the left side. And then we're just going to split it like this and then continue beading with the same pattern again. Hey, I see you there. Please feel free to boop the like button if you're enjoying this video so far, and also follow me on the socials. I've added some of the little white beads on there so that we can start with the middle point. And we're basically going to add the silver bead over or just onto that. So then this is kind of the middle of the actual bracelet, and then from here we're just going to add the heart charm to make this a bit of a charm bracelet, and then it's going to look so cute. Added the charm onto one of the strings and then just added the silver beads onto both strings. And from here we're just going to finish it up and then just close it off with another crimp bead cover and a crimp bead. And here's the bracelet and other bracelet that I made for this video. The one with the heart charm is so beautiful, and it looks so professional with the crimp bead covers. It's the first time I'm using them, and it looks so beautiful. So you're welcome to watch this video or this video next. Bye!